Making this yummy Kali Masoor dal is very easy if you follow the steps I'm going to show you. So wash and soak the dal for 30 minutes. Drain and add black cardamoms, bay leaves and salt. Add water. Close the cooker and allow 3 whistles. Heat oil. Add big garlic pieces and stir until they become brown. Add red chillies. Stir for 45 seconds. Add coriander seeds and again fry for just half a minute. Here, though the garlic has turned brown, it's still soft inside. Let's crush it coarse in a mortar and pestle. To the same oil, add cumin seeds and onions and stir till the onions turn golden. Now add tomatoes chopped. Mix it well and add turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, amchur powder, and add a little water so that the masalas don't burn. Cover and cook till the tomatoes become soft. That took about 4 minutes. Now let's add the cooked dal and add only hot water to adjust the consistency. Cover and cook on a low flame. While it is cooking, let's heat some ghee and add green chilies, kasuri methi and the crushed masala. Stir for just half a minute and add this tempering to the cooked dal. This dal smells so good and tastes yummy. Do try it out.